I was here to experience a whitewater rafting challenge with Sobek, one of Asia's largest adventure operators and the pioneer of rafting in this region. Safety comes first, so before heading way down the riverbank to the water, I had a few tips on rowing and climbing back in. Now, who says I plan to even fall in? Well, Bali, as you can see, is also a great place to go whitewater rafting. Now, this river is at quite a soft level, ideal for the family. The Ayung River is one of the nicest ones to go rafting on, of course, in this part of Bali. We're going to take a trip that runs for about 11 kilometers. It will take us around an hour and a half. Then we were off and the Ayung River was rushing by. The first set of rapids were almost upon us, but hey, I can do this. In fact, this excursion is safe enough for the whole family, from ages 7 up. Sobek's rafting guides represented Indonesia in the 1993 World Championships, and these guides form the nucleus of the Sobek operation. I was in good hands, but that doesn't mean the guides don't know how to have fun. Watch out for the waterfalls. I saw several up very close.
Enough rapids to add that touch of excitement. Be prepared to get very wet.
Besides day trips like this that include lunch when you arrive, you can set off on longer rafting excursions with a group of friends. You can also try some of the more challenging riverscapes once you've had the experience on the water. I was just paddling fast and holding on tight. Obviously, I wasn't holding on tight enough. So now I've seen what Bali's Ayung River has to offer from every perspective. Immerse yourself in Bali, they told me, and so I did.